Every cabinet shop reaches the same crossroads. Demand increases, deadlines tighten, labor becomes harder to find, and the old way of building cabinets starts slowing everything down. Because today's production shops don't just need machines, they need faster throughput, greater efficiency, better consistency, and the ability to scale production without increasing chaos. That's where legacy changes the equation. The legacy Maverick and Renegade CNC systems transform cabinet production into a streamlined automated workflow. From nested cutting and drilling to Dadoes, shelf pin holes, drawer slide holes, and part labeling, multiple production steps are completed automatically from one CNC platform. The result? Faster production, reduced labor, less material waste, and dramatically improved repeatability. This isn't just sheet processing. This is production automation built for modern woodworking shops. Traditional cabinet production often means multiple setups, repetitive labor, constant measuring, and unnecessary material waste. But CNC automation changes what your shop is capable of producing. Legacy CNC systems help shops increase production capacity, reduce labor dependency, improve part consistency, shorten production timelines, and optimize every sheet for maximum yield. One machine, one streamlined workflow. For cabinet shops, the legacy CNC systems have immediate impact. Norm Greengard from Montana Wood Creation says the Maverick has revolutionized my cabinet production process, delivering unmatched accuracy, speed, and safety every step of the way. Tasks that once took hours are now completed in a fraction of the time, while minimizing material waste and maximizing productivity through parallel operations. I firmly believe that relying on the best technology like the Maverick CNC is essential for any cabinet shop that wants to stay competitive. The future of cabinet production belongs to shops that produce more with less friction by eliminating manufacturing bottlenecks. More precision, more throughput, more consistency, without increasing labor complexity. Legacy helps woodworking businesses modernize production with automation designed for real-world cabinet manufacturing. Because staying competitive today means building smarter, not harder. Legacy CNC systems, built for the next generation of cabinet production, improve efficiency, and scale cabinet manufacturing with confidence. It's time to see what automated production can do. Work smarter, build more, grow faster.